saying that I choose another way. I ain't trying to do what everybody else doing, just 'cause everybody do